Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So very quick video on on this, nothing to do with coffee, but it's a rear light for cycling with a camera. I'm just upgrading from this one, which is a C-Sense one. Also, I believe it's a UK firm, this one. Used this for about 4 or 5 years. No complaints, very good light, but I want something that has a video on it. This is from a UK company. Okay, just got it through actually a friend from Amazon UK, I believe. No, actually it's directly from the firm. So it's about £99, which is, what's that, about 130 US dollars. So I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing of it and let you see what's in the box. Okay, so just white instruction manuals, nothing much. It comes with adapters, so it's metal for, what's that, circular seat posts. Really, that's about it actually. Oh, here, and you've got this oval shaped seat post. I'm assuming we'll see. That will probably not fit into the newer aero bikes that you have, that has basically, that looks like a wing. So I don't know how I'm going to fit it on, but we'll see. Comes with Allen keys, spares. Don't know what that's for, but we'll see. Probably for this. Yeah, just to tighten it. That is about it actually. Charging cable, USB, and a very old, not Type C, so still the micro one, which is fine. The light itself, here it is. I'll show you in comparison to the C-Sense. So slightly bigger. So I guess it can't use a rubber band. It'd be nice if it could. I have no idea how I'm going to put this on, but yep. So you got your charging cable, your micro SD card, on, camera, light. Is it on? Ooh. Okay, there you go. I've never charged it. Okay. So I'm assuming, yeah, that's it. Later on, I will give you some footage. That will probably take a while though. Thanks for watching.